Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to put password on your Word files on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So here we are in Microsoft Word, and now from here, let's just type right here, thank you for watching. Right here, this is just an example so that we can see later on. And I'm just gonna increase the font of this one. Just bear with me a little bit, and just like that. And now let's say before we can put a password, we need to save our file first. So let's go and save this, save as right here. Or you can go into your browse right here, and we can go and type the name for this one would be sample number 1 right there, and save. And now we have the sample number 1. And now after saving this file, we want to go here in the files right here, and then you can go into info, click here on info right here, and then you want to click on protect document, and then right here you want to go for encrypt with password right here. So click on it right here and encrypt with password, and let's say 123 just for the sake of the example. Click OK right there and re-enter your password again. So click OK again. And now as you can see, a password is required to open this document right here. So when you go here and open the document right there, let's exit first and save this and go for sample number 1 and click open it. And as you can see, we now need a password to open this file, and it is 123. Click OK, and now it's like this. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. It's so easy, right? So thank you for watching.